Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2009 Subaru Legacy, we're gonna be replacing the front differential fluid. This is a relatively straightforward maintenance item, so it shouldn't take too long. Let's get started. All right, we wanna jack the vehicle up, put it on jack stands so we can crawl underneath. Right behind the engine, we have our cross member here. You'll see a really big Torx, and stamped on the case, it'll say diff oil. That's our drain plug for our front differential. It is a whopping T70, so that's the size of the Torx. We're gonna break that loose, make sure it's in good. Whew, that was pretty tight. Now we'll get our catch pan, put it underneath, and we'll get this the rest of the way. We'll just let that drain. On the end of our drain plug is a magnetic tip. We want to wipe all that buildup off before reinstalling our drain plug. Reinstall our drain plug. The information I have says if you have an aluminum washer, it's 21 foot-pounds. If you have a steel washer, it's 36 foot-pounds. We'll torque this down. All right, now we'll go up top to fill it. Now up top on the passenger side behind the engine, we'll have a yellow handled dipstick. That's where we're gonna fill our fluid. To get better access, we'll just take off our air box. To remove our duct, it's either an 8mm or a flat screwdriver, whichever one you have. Then we have two 10mm holding this down. And then we should have two breather hoses, one on one side. We'll pop that off, and then one on the other side. There we go. And we have a PCV hose in the front. We'll disconnect the electrical connector and pull at the same time. And then we'll want to get this electrical connector off. Just pull on it. There we go. And then same with the throttle body boot, either an 8mm or a flathead. This whole thing should slide back. There we go. Let's just get it out. Perfect. All right, let's fill it up. We'll go ahead and remove our dipstick. To know you're filling up the right hole, the dipstick should say diff on it, D-I-F-F. We're gonna be filling it up with genuine Subaru 7590. You can have your catch pan underneath just in case you spill a little. It should go in nice and smooth. All right, there's one, and it should take 1.3 quarts. Once we're finished, we'll take our funnel out, check our fluid, just drop it down all the way, lift it up, and make sure it's in our marks. Perfect. Put it back. Now let's put our air box back on. Slide this on, put in our 10mm bolts, snug them down. They don't have to be too tight, just snug. 8mm hose clamp up here. Got our breather tubes on both sides. And we got our connector here in the front. Slide the connector onto the holder, then slide our white piece on. Perfect. And that's it, just double check, make sure we got everything. We're done. All right, there you go. That's how you can replace the front differential fluid on your Subaru. I have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.